Welcome to Bold e-learning. In today's video, we will talk about how to fill up data in Excel in an easy way using the Forms tool. First of all, let's find this tool. To do that, we will go to the Quick Access toolbar, drop-down menu, and then we will go to More Commands. From here, select All Commands. Okay, click anywhere and press on F to go to the list where the functions start with F. We will scroll down a little bit until we find form. There you go, we find it. Press on it and then press on add. Press OK, and now we have it on top. Okay, so how to use this tool? To do that, first of all, we need to set up our headers. So this is our headers, okay? And this is my first line of data. We need to have a line of data so that Excel understands how we are working, okay? So we will click anywhere inside of our table, okay, or our array, and then we will press on forms. And as you can see, Excel understood that these are our headers, okay, and this is our first line of data. Let's insert a new line now using the new button, okay. Let's create some invoice reference. I don't know, KB for example, 5,004. We have the let's create a project called the Valley, for example, and it's also not. If I press enter, I will create now a new line so I can fill up new data. So let's say KBR 6,000, I don't know amount, 100, like KBRG, project hill, and it's also and if I press enter, it will create a new line as we can see in our array. Okay, let's close that and I'll add some additional lines now, and then we will talk about the criteria and the forms. Okay, now that I have added some additional lines or additional data to our table, let's go and work with the criteria. So what is the criteria that we see here? Let's press on it. So criteria is some kind of filtering. So you can filter your data using this criteria. So for example, I want to filter the invoices that have been paid. So I will write here paid. Okay, let's say I want them all in the project the hill only. Okay, I don't want any invoices from the project the valley. Okay, so let's find next. So this is my first invoice that is as per our criteria that we have set up. So it's in the project the hill and it is paid. So let's find next, and we don't have any additional invoices in this project that are paid. If I find previous, I also can't find any of them. So that's the only invoice that fits our criteria. Let's try to make a new criteria, for example. So I'll, let's say only unpaid invoices. I want to see them unpaid. Okay. And now I will find next. So this is our first unpaid invoice. If I press find previous, I will find the one before it. I find previous, also another one, and find previous, also another one. So we can do that using the forms, or we can do that using the filtering in our table, which is much easier. We will select that, and then we will come here and then filter, okay, and I can simply select here and unpaid, and this is our filtered data. Okay, I'll clear filtering, I'll go inside and I can add more data to my table. That's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or concerns, put them in the comments. And as always, thank you and take care.